Good morning dear students. In previous video we have already discussed about the different kind of fraction. In this video we will solve the remaining exercises of chapter 7. Okay. So firstly we will solve the exercise 3's question, where the first question is reduce the fraction to the lowest term by dividing with their SCF. Okay. In this question we have to reduce the fraction in their lowest term by dividing with their SCF. To solve this question, we need to find out the SCF of numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so firstly we need to factorize this numerator and denominator as well. Okay, so now I am going to factorize this 16. I have to write all the factor of 16 over here. So what will be the factor of 16? Factor of 16 is what? 1, then 2, 2. Why I have written 2 over here? Because it is an even number. Okay, now it will be going for then 8, then 16. Okay, now I have to factorize this 28. Okay, what will be the factor? 1, 2, then 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factor of 28. Now we have to find out the common factor of these two number. Common factor is 1 is common in both the numbers, in both the factors. 2 is common in both the factors, and 4 is common. Okay. Now SCF will be what? SCF, it means highest common factor. Highest common, it means the biggest number is SCF. Biggest factor is SCF. So 4 is the SCF over here. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this number by 4, because question is saying what? Lowest term by dividing with their SCF. Dividing with their SCF. SCF is what? 4. So we have to divide by 4 to this number. Okay. So I will divide this 4 to and 28 by 4 as well. So what we will find? 4 4s are 16. Then here 4 7s are 28. So our lowest term is what? 4 upon 7 of this fraction. Okay. In this way we will find out the another question also. Okay. Okay student, now we will see the next question. Reduce the fraction to lowest term by dividing with their common factors. Okay, so we need to find out the common factors only. We don't need to find out their SCF. Okay, so simply we will factorize this number. Okay, so what will be the factor? 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay, for 49, what will be the factor over here? 1, 7 and 49. Okay, these are the factor of 49. So the common factor is what? Common factor is only 7. So we need to divide by this 7 to this fraction. Okay, so we will divide it by 7 to the 14 and 49 to the 7. So what we will find? We will find out that 7 2s are 14 and 7 7s are 49. So after reducing this factor, what we will find? We will find out the fraction, that is 2 upon 7. Okay. Now we will solve this fraction by the same method. Firstly, we will factorize this 16. So what will be the factors? That is 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now we will factorize this 64. What will the factors over there? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 32 and 16. Okay. So the common factor is what? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So I will divide it by 16. Okay. So 16 ones are 16. If I read out the table of 16, so the 16 is 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. So the answer is 1 upon 4 after reducing their lowest terms. Okay. Okay student, now we will see the exercise 4. In this exercise we will compare the fraction which is greater or less than. Okay, which fraction is greater than and which fraction is less than. Okay, so we will compare. The question is given here, arrange in ascending order. Ascending, it means increasing order. We will write down the smaller fraction, then greater fraction, then greatest fraction. Okay, so how to arrange in ascending order? The given fraction is in mixed fraction. Okay, so we need to firstly convert this fraction into the simple fraction or improper fraction. Okay, so firstly 1 upon 3, so it will be converted to the improper fraction. So how it will be converted? So it is converted like that. Denominator is multiply to this number and add this numerator here. So we will find out there 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. Now the next number is 1, 5 upon 6. So again we will 1 into 6 plus 5 and upon 6. Denominator will be the same. Okay. Then 6 plus 5, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5, it will be turned into 11 by 6. Okay, now we will take another number, this number. Okay, so what we will find out? That 1 into 3 plus 2 upon 3, so it will be turned into 5 upon 3. Okay, now again we will write the next number 7 upon 10. So it will be 1 into 10 plus 7 upon 10. So it will be 10 plus 7, it will be 17 upon 10. Okay, now you can see that all the fraction have different denominator. So we need to equal this denominator. Okay, now how to equalize this denominator? Okay, we will equalize this denominator by taking LCM of their denominator. Okay, LCM लेना होगा इस डिनोमिनेटर को क्या करने के लिए, एक जैसा बनाने के लिए. Okay, so firstly we will write down all the fraction over here. 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 11 upon 6 and 17 upon 10. Okay, now we will taking the LCM. Okay, we will find out the LCM of this denominator. So we will write down all the denominator over here. So I will write 1 3 over here because 1 3 is already given. Okay. So I will take from 2 because 2 even number are here. 3 will be remain same. 2 3 is a 6, 2 5 is a 10. Then I cannot take 2 over here because all these number are odd numbers. So I will take 3 and 1 and 5 here. So 5 ones are 5. So the LCM is what? LCM is what? We will multiply the factor 2 3 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30. So the LCM is 30. ओके, LCM हमारे क्या आया? 30 आया. अब क्या करना होगा? LCM is 30. Now we will equalize this number to this LCM. मतलब इस LCM में जो नंबर आया है उतना ही हमें सारे डिनोमिनेटर को लाना है. जैसे यहाँ पे 4/3. सो व्हाट नंबर शुड वी मल्टीप्लाई टू चेंज इनटू 30? 30 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पर क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा? तो 3 में हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें जिससे क्या आ जाए? 30 आ जाए. तो 10 मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. सो द न्यूमरेटर इज ऑल्सो 10. ओके, इफ डिनोमिनेटर इज 10 then numerator will be the same number. Okay, we will multiply by the same number. Okay, so it will be 40 upon 30. Okay, now the next number is what? Next number is 5 upon 3. So again we will multiply by 10 because it is going to be 30. ठीक है, तो 30 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा यहाँ भी 50 upon 30. Now the next number is what? Now the next number is 11 upon 6. So what should we multiply to convert into 30? 30 लाने के लिए यहाँ किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा? We need to multiply by 5. 6 5 are 30. So again numerator is also multiply by the same number. So the 11 5 are 55 and 6 5 are 30 also. Okay, now we will take another fraction, that is 17/10. Okay, so what number we have to multiply? We need to multiply by 3 over here. 10 3s are 30. Now it will be going to change into 30. So 17 3s are 51. Okay, now the next number is what? Okay, all the number are here. So now we can easily find out the greater than or less fraction. ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ से कौन सा बड़ा फ्रैक्शन और छोटा फ्रैक्शन इजीली हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अब यहाँ पर सारे डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो गए? सेम हो गए. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन ओवर हियर. स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन इज व्हाट? 40 upon 30. So I will write 40 upon 30 here. Then what we need to write? 50 upon 30. Then 51 upon 30. Then 55 upon 30. So we will write over here the original fraction. अब हमें यहाँ पर इसका ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन को लिखना होगा क्योंकि पूछा हमें क्या है? इस फ्रैक्शन के बारे में. तो सारे फ्रैक्शन को हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ठीक है, तो 40 upon 30. सो द 40 upon 30 ये कहाँ से मिला था? फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट दिस? वी गेट दिस फ्रॉम दिस फ्रैक्शन 4 upon 3. सो आई विल राइट हियर 4 upon 3 and 50 upon 30. So I have got this from here 5 upon 3. 51 upon 30. It is got from 17 upon 10 and 55 upon 30 I have got from 11 upon 6. In this way you can find out the ascending order. Okay student, now we will see the exercise 5. In this exercise we will solve the addition and subtraction of a fraction. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करना सीखेंगे किसी भी फ्रैक्शन का. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर. ऐड वी नीड टू ऐड दिस फ्रैक्शन. सो द फ्रैक्शन इज विच काइंड ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज दिस? इट इज़ अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ये एक मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन है. सो वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन टू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सबसे पहले हमें मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. सो द कन्वर्जन इज लाइक दैट. I will write over here 3 2/3. So it will be turned into like this. ठीक है, so it will be changed into 11 upon 3. Okay, now 1 by 4, so it will be 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4, so it will be 5 upon 4. Now you can see that both the denominators are different. ठीक है, दोनों डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है, बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट, सो वी विल इक्वलाइज दिस डिनोमिनेटर. अब हम दोनों डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करेंगे बाय द एलसीएम मेथड. ओके, एलसीएम, सो वी विल टेक बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर्स हियर. So I will take 2 over here, 3 will be remain same, and 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are, so the LCM is what? 2 into 3, so 4 3s are 12. LCM is what? 12. So the denominator will converted to the 12 because the LCM is 12. अब जो LCM आया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग डिनोमिनेटर को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 11 upon 3, 11 upon 3, what number should I multiply so it will be turned into 12. इसमें हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें, इसमें 12 आ जाएगा, so I need to multiply by 4. Okay, so 11 4s are 44 and 3 4s are 12. Similarly here again, what should I need to multiply? I need to multiply by 3, so we will get 12 over here. 5 3s are 15. Now we will add this. So the 44 plus 15, 12 अपॉन 12. ठीक है, 44 और 15 को ऐड करेंगे, 12 विल बी सेम डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है, दोनों तरफ सेम है, तो इसलिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, ओनली 12, और दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे. यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा, 4 and 5 इट विल बी 9, 4 and 1 इट विल बी 59. सो द आंसर इज 59. यू कैन अगेन यू कैन चेंज इनटू द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इट इज, अदरवाइज इट विल रिमेन सेम. ओके, अगर आप चाहें तो इसे और भी ज़्यादा मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप इसे ऐसे ही भी रखेंगे तो भी आंसर सही. ओके, नाउ लुक अपॉन द सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय द सिमिलर मेथड, बट डिफरेंट थिंग इज व्हाट, वी वर एडिंग देयर बट नाउ वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. ओके, हम वहाँ पे क्या करते थे, सारा प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा, बट क्या करना है हमें, अब एडिशन की जगह अब हमें क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. सो फर्स्टली 10 minus 6 upon 7. So here you can see that there is no denominator. यहाँ पर आपको कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर नहीं दिख रहा है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एज ए डिनोमिनेटर आपको 1 कंसिडर करना होगा. यू नीड टू कंसिडर 1 ओवर हियर. ठीक है, इफ नो डिनोमिनेटर इज देयर यू कैन अज्यूम दैट हियर 1 इज एज अ डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक द सेम प्रोसेस ओवर हियर. ठीक है, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, 1 और 7 का, इट विल बी 7. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 7 लाने के लिए क्या करना होगा, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 बिकॉज द एलसीएम इज व्हाट, एलसीएम विल बी फाइंड आउट 7 हियर. ओके, सो 7 and then here 6. What we need to multiply, we need to 1 because 7 is already there, 6 upon 7. So now we will write 70 upon 7 minus 6 upon 7. So 7 will remain same because both the denominators are same. So 70 minus 6, so it will be 64 upon 7. Okay, this will be the answer for it. And now we will subtract this. So again you can see that it is a mixed fraction. So firstly we need to convert into the improper fraction. So the improper fraction will convert it to that 2 into 9 plus 4 upon 9. So it will be 18 plus 4 upon 9. So it will be 22 upon 9. Now we can write like this: 22 upon 9 minus 55 upon 12. So what we need to do now? We need to find out the LCM. हमें अब क्या करना है? LCM निकालना है दोनों डिनोमिनेटर का. So it will be 2, 9 will be remain same, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are and 3 1s. So LCM will be what? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now we need to equalize as 36. अब 36 में कन्वर्ट करना होगा सारे डिनोमिनेटर को. ओके, सो फर्स्टली वी नीड टू equalize to 36 by multiply. What we need to multiply over here? We need to multiply 4 to get the 36. 36 लाने के लिए हमें क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा डिनोमिनेटर में? 4 से. सो द 4 से अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 22 4 are 88 and 9 4 are 36. Now again we need to multiply this 12 by 3. 12 3s are 36. Okay, and 5 3s are 15. So now we will, both the denominators are same, so we will easily we can subtract this. So the answer is what? 3 and 73 upon 36. You can convert it into the mixed fraction also.